Argentina will not travel to India this year as it is confirmed that the World Cup winners will be playing 4 friendlies this year in China, Angola and Qatar in October and November. As per the fixture announced by Argentine Football Association, the World Cup winners Argentina will play friendlies against China and against either Russia, Japan or South Korea. Both matches will be played in China in October. In November, Argentina will play a friendly against Angola in Angola and against Qatar at the Lusail Stadium. The exact dates of the friendlies are yet to be fixed. With this announcement, it is certain that Argentina will not travel to India. It was earlier announced by Kerala government that Argentina will play friendly matches in the state in October 2025. The Argentine Football Association had demanded an appearance fee of 100 crore rupees for their national team to play friendly matches in Kerala. However, the state government came under severe criticism as their detractors said it was a waste of money to splurge such a huge amount for bringing a football team and that money could be utilized in a better way to fund many other sports projects. The state government found it difficult to raise the steep appearance money and it was forced to issue AGO through which it entrusted a private organization to raise funds to bring the Argentine team to the country. But, the private company found it difficult to find sponsors and little progress was made on raising funds for the project. With no confirmation coming from the private company, the state government was in a fix. The Kerala government also could not meet the deadline to pay the advance money to AFA, putting the project in limbo. It was in this background that AFA was forced to accept offers from other countries to play international friendlies.